Introducing the Flame Humidifier Aromatherapy Diffuser, the perfect addition to your home or office to help you relax and unwind. This beautifully designed diffuser features a unique flame-shaped top, adding a touch of warmth and sophistication to any space. The diffuser doubles as a humidifier, adding moisture to the air for a more comfortable environment. With its large 130 milliliters water tank, the Flame Humidifier can run for up to many hours, providing you with continuous relief from dry air. The aromatherapy function allows you to add your favorite essential oils to the water, infusing your space with pleasant scents and providing a variety of health benefits. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, boost your mood, or alleviate sinus congestion, the Flame Humidifier Aromatherapy Diffuser is a natural and effective solution. So why not add some ambience and tranquility to your home or office with the Flame Humidifier Aromatherapy Diffuser?